Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk through a simple and quick guide on how to open a chat in a pop-up window on Google Chat using your PC. If you've recently noticed the new update and aren't sure how to access this feature, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to google.com. Once you're on the home page, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo and a grid made up of 9 small dots right next to it. That grid is where Google keeps all your apps in one place. Click on the 9 dots, and you'll see a list of Google services like Gmail, Drive, Calendar, and more. From there, choose Chat. After clicking on Chat, you'll be taken to your Google Chat dashboard. This is where you'll see all your recent conversations and contacts on the left-hand side of the screen. Take a moment to locate the chat you want to open. Now, here's the new part introduced in the update. Move your cursor to the left side menu, where all your active chats are listed. Hover over the chat you want to open, and you'll notice 3 small dots appear to the right of the chat's name. These 3 dots are your options menu. Click on them. From the menu that pops up, look for the option that says Open in a pop-up. Once you click this, your selected chat will open in a separate pop-up window. This means you can now keep that chat open while browsing other sections of Google Chat, or even switching to your Gmail or other tabs. It's a great way to multitask without losing track of your conversation. That's all it takes. You've now learned how to open any chat in a pop-up on Google Chat using your PC. This new feature makes chatting smoother and helps you stay connected without interruptions. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to leave a like and share it with someone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching.